grade 4 children. How are you everyone? Children, as you all know that we have completed the syllabus till from chapter number 9 till chapter number 14, right? So it should be you should remember that chapter number 9 and till chapter number 14 our syllabus is completed, and now we have to do now our revision video, right? So this is the first video of our revision, and I hope you be interested and it will be helpful for this video will be helpful to you for the revision. Let's start with the chapter number 9 revision first. Children, chapter number 9 is local self government. Now India, as we all know, is a very big country. It is very difficult to revise to maintain country, but how we can govern this a whole big country with there are three governing bodies, that is the central, state and local level of the government, which governs the country and which solve the various problems of the country. Now, the local government at the village level is called Gram Panchayat. The government which looks in the village, which looks after the problems of the village people, they are known as Gram Panchayat, and Gram Panchayat is a group of members. How many members are there in that? Five members. Now let's go ahead with local governing bodies in towns and cities. There are two types of governing bodies working in towns and cities, that is municipalities and municipal corporation. Let me tell you, municipalities are also called as Nagar Palika or Nagar Nigam. You all have written this correctly in your last exam, that dash and dash are all other names of municipalities. They are also known as Nagar Palika or Nagar Nigam. Corporation is also mayor, and who is okay. The members are elected for the period of 5 years. Those members who are elected for the municipality or municipal corporation elections, they are selected for the period of 5 years. Now, what are the works of municipalities and municipal corporation? To maintain roads, schools, and public transport. Then, to provide electricity and clean drinking water in the village is also the work of municipality or municipal corporation. Their other work is to keep the cities and towns clean. Proper disposal of waste is also necessary, which is done by the municipalities and municipal corporation, right? Every day they come to our houses, they collect the garbage and the waste, and then they dispose it properly. Then to set up health centers, public toilets and public park is also the responsibility of municipalities. Then to keep an account of birth and death rate. See, it is very necessary to know the population of the particular place. So how they can be known? By having the proper account of birth and death rate, and that work is also done by the municipality or municipal corporation. So that's all we have seen this in this chapter, and this video is just for the revision. You can also revise it from students book also. And everyone, please revise it, study well for your exam, and maintain your notes properly. Till the next video, please everyone take care of yourself. Bye bye.